Guys, I need to give you the latest crypto briefing on all the free cryptocurrency we are currently mining on this channel. For those of you that are new to this cryptocurrency, download it immediately and start mining so that you don't miss out. The first one right here is B Network. Okay, look at it right here, B Network. So I'm going to click on it and we'll see how it looks like. So this is B Network right here. You mine at a particular rate per hour. Okay, and the current rate right now is 0.02. So it's 0.02 per hour. So if you mine for 10 hours, you get 2 Bs. That is exactly how it works. But you can also increase your mining rate. How do you go about this? You simply invite more people to the system in form of referrals, and your mining rate will increase. And one good thing is you don't have to pay a single penny to join this platform. Okay, you don't have to pay a single penny. That is the advantage of joining this platform to mine. And there's a latest update coming from them. They said that the app is no longer available on Google Play Store right now. It says Google recently removed B Network from the Play Store because it has misunderstood the algorithm of B Network. Previously, we came across a similar issue with App Store too, and it is tackled soon. Therefore, we expect to be back on Play Store soon. So they are working on it. And right now, if you want to download the app, probably you check on b.com or bgames.com, and you should be able to get the app somewhere somehow on the website. Okay, you should be able to get the APK of the app and use it to continue your mining. So if you want to register, the referral code is slow reviews. I'm going to pin it under the comment video or the comment section of this video. If you don't use a referral code, you will not be able to mine. Okay, because this works in form of security circle. And one thing I noticed about B Network right now is, even though they've clocked 10 million users and it has halved, okay, there's something we call halving. The more people that join this platform, the more the mining rate reduces. Okay, so they started from 1.6 to 0.8 to 0.4. Now we are at 0.2. Okay, I'll be there until we get to 100 million before I can go to 0.1. Now as at this is 0.2, and I'm still surprised that I'm not mining at 0.2 yet, because my mining rate is still high. Let's check my mining rate. So let's check the breakdown of my mining rate here. So it says, oh sorry, I'm going to click that again. So it says I have 122 people that are active, and then it further multiplied the 122 times 25%, then multiplied by 0.4, and that is giving me around 12.20 B per hour. Okay, and also they will add my own 0.2 to it. That is 12 point it should be 12.4, but now it is 12.6. So even though we've halved and we are now mining at the rate of 0.2, but the calculation is still stopped at 0.4. I think this is a mistake, and we should all capitalize on it and enjoy and mine more of the B Network. Okay, that is the update I have right now for B Network. We are going to speed on to the next one, which is TimeStop. Now, so many people are complaining that they couldn't get verified on TimeStop. Probably they've not seen the button to verify and all of that. I created a video on how you can verify yourself, but then it has to show you a button that it is time for you to verify before you can go ahead and verify on TimeStop. Okay, now right now it's picking it randomly, so it could pick you, it could pick the next person, but you don't have to worry. Even if you don't get picked in this one, you just have to stay calm and keep mining, and in due time the KYC is going to be available for everybody. Okay, once it's available for everybody, you'll be able to mine it. Okay, if you want to join this TimeStop as well, you can join and use the invitation code or witness ID. It is called witness ID slow reviews. Okay, just the same witness ID all over across the platform, slow reviews, and you start mining immediately. One thing you must also be very careful to make sure you're carrying it out correctly is your attendance. You come to this calendar icon right here, you see a globe icon on this attendance, you click on it and you'll be able to mark your attendance for the day. Okay, so that is that about the two of them. Now we're speeding on to Pi Network. Okay, now Pi Network has launched their wallet already. Okay, before it was available on the PC version only, but now it's available on Play Store. Okay, it's available as a browser, so it has the in-app facility for wallet and many things. Okay, sorry, I've not turned on my mining session, and that is bad. You have to turn it on. Okay, every 24 hours you go there just to turn it on, and you start mining immediately. Okay, the rate at which you are mining here at Pi Network right now, let me check it out for you. Okay, not this. Okay, I don't think it's available. Okay, now the rate at which you are mining here at Pi Network is 0.1. Look at it here, 0.1 pi per hour. Okay, that's bringing about scarcity of pi. So if you want to download the Pi mobile wallet, you go to your Play Store, your Google Play Store or your App Store, and you search for Pi wallet. Okay, it's going to be a Pi browser anyway. It's going to be Pi browser. Don't download any other one that's not official. Okay, let's see Pi browser. Okay, so look at it right here, Pi browser. I have it already, and it says I can update it, and it has gotten over 1 million downloads. Okay, people are chipping in to download this app and set it up. Okay, because we are approaching the mainnet already, and anytime soon we'll be able to start trading our Pi coin. If you haven't installed this already, do well to install it. Okay, install it, set up everything that needed to be set up, and start mining. The invitation code as well is slow reviews. But if you're not sure of the Pi wallet to download, then I will advise you just go into the Pi app. Okay, your normal Pi app you're using to mine, and click on this three dots by the side, and you see Pi browser here. You see Pi browser, so you just click on the Pi browser. That is going to take you to where you can download the Pi browser, install it, and start using it immediately. Okay, that's exactly how it works. So this is the little crypto news I have for you right now, and I hope to see you in the next one. If there's anything out there that you need to know, I'll create an update and keep you guys updated in due time. Thank you guys, and bye for now.